कोविड से नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइफ लेसन जो कि हम सबको पूरी ह्यूमन काइंड को सीखना चाहिए, एंड दिस इज़ आवर फोर्थ इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइफ लेसन इन दिस प्लेलिस्ट, दैट इज़ एवरीथिंग इज़ जस्ट टेम्पररी। 2020 के साथ हम सब ने, पूरी दुनिया ने कोविड की एंट्री देखी, एंड आफ्टर दैट एक नेचुरल लॉ के हिसाब से 2021 आना था और उसी तरह से 2022 आने वाला है, 2021 भी नहीं रुक रहा है। तो जस्ट लाइक दैट सिमिलर प्रोसेस, जस्ट लाइक दैट सिमिलर नेचुरल लॉ, कोविड वुड ऑल्सो ग्रेजुअली वैनिश अवे सून एंड द वर्ल्ड वुड कम बैक टू इट्स नॉर्मल पेस एज यूजुअल। हर एक चीज़ की एक्सपायरी डेट होती है। कोविड वुड ऑल्सो ग्रेजुअली वैनिश अवे सून। Just like your happy times, your sad times, your failures, your hardships, all the down phases of your life, they are also just temporary. They will come and pass on, and you would be all right. Whenever you are in any of your difficulties or hard phase of your life, just remember the fact that each and these all are just the phases of life and nothing else. Everything comes so as to pass on. Nothing is permanent in this world. And in fact, the hard phases of your life would take an exit by transforming you into a better version and better and stronger version of yourself as a byproduct, which you would definitely realize, but later on. During that transformational process, we just have to keep up our patience level. हमें अपना patience level बरकरार रखना है अपने उस transformational process में, and we all would realize that it has made us much strong as before, much strong and better version of ourselves as before. Just let us take the natural example of diamond. We all know that it comes into its existence of preciousness, beauty and shine only after undergoing through an extreme grinding process. एक extreme grinding process में गुजरने के बाद ही उसमें वो shine, उसमें वो चमक, उसमें वो value आती है diamond में, जिसको हम diamond कहते हैं, जिसके लिए पूरी दुनिया उसकी कीमत जानती है. So that's the point here, that's the value here, that's the value of our transformational processes, which are possible only in our hard phases of our life. So we have to keep up our patience level, and we have to let them come and let them go, and you would be all right. You have to understand that. Feel this one of the most important life lesson. It will help you in increasing your patience level during any of your stressful times. Nothing is permanent in this world. And in your hard phases, patience is your main friend. And on the other hand, in your happy phases, never forget to make gratitude as your friend. Whenever you are in any of your stressful times and you are not able to cope up with it, just put your hand upon your heart and realize and make yourself realize this universal fact that each and every one of us is going to land up on his or her deathbed only. Every one of us is going to land up on our deathbed only. No one will land up somewhere else except the grave. ये सुनने में तो एक नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट लगती है, but if you would realize and if you would feel this point, then it would give you a positive sense of feeling in your hardships, in your down phases of your life. कि हम सब की एक ही जर्नी है, हम सब दिन पर दिन उसी तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, हम सब का एक ही अल्टीमेट डेस्टिनेशन है और वो है एंड. So what's the point of getting stressed out too much, which results in only and only the deterioration of your health and nothing else. इस एक नेगेटिव फैक्टर के अलावा और इसका कोई, इस नेगेटिव इफेक्ट के अलावा और इसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. Getting stressed out too much would result in just the deterioration of your health and nothing else. So what's the point here? This whole life and everything encompassing is a part of an absolute temporary cycle. Keeping in mind this universal fact that each and everything comes and pass on and is simply a part of a big temporary cycle is also one among the most effective and good techniques for stress management as well. So remember that everything is just temporary. You just have to work upon increasing your patience level during your transformational processes in your hard phases of your life, and you would definitely be all right. Thank you, and stay tuned for this further continuation of our playlist for the further more positive and important life lessons from COVID. Stay tuned.